Today we are looking at how to start affiliate marketing for beginners, and we're going to look at some easy and free methods with this. Now, we're going to look at why affiliate marketing is one of the best and also quickest ways to make some extra money online. I'm going to share with you how you can get started today for free from absolutely anywhere in the world. Now, you do not need any experience or any special skills for this to work, and I'm going to break down this whole learning curve for you into 4 simple steps. It really is that easy. It doesn't need to be complicated and difficult. Now, why affiliate marketing? Well, the thing what I love about affiliate marketing is once you've got this all set up, it basically brings in money on autopilot for you, because you do the work once and then it can become a truly passive income model, and that is one of the reasons why I recommend affiliate marketing. Now, it's a completely low barrier to entry with this, and like I've mentioned at the beginning, you do not need any experience for this. You can get started for free, and the earnings with affiliate marketing is unlimited. There's literally no cap on how much you can earn with affiliate marketing. Now, if you stay till the end, what I'm going to share with you is I'm going to show you how you can fast track your results with this method. I'm also going to show you some free sites that you can use and get started with today. I'll also show you how you can 10x your earnings with this method, and basically by the end of this video, if you watch to the end, you will know how to get started and how you can start earning some extra money with affiliate marketing in the next 24 hours. So let me go ahead and just show you some of my earnings from one website. So this here is over on a new platform. Well, it's not a new, it's a new platform that I've been testing out. It's called Warrior Plus. Now you can see on here, this is indeed my account. I'm logged in, I could log out here. So this is how much I earned yesterday, $170. And so far this is how much I've earned today, $39.53. Now this is a platform that I've been looking at for about 7 to 8 weeks now, really. I also promote on many other platforms. I promote on ClickBank, Max Bounty, JV Zoo, Share a Sale, Affiliate Window. There's many more on there, but this is just to go ahead and show you some of the numbers that I'm creating over on just one platform. So you can see here, it does actually, what I'm going to share with you, it works. It really does. It's simple, and all of these earnings here, this has basically come from me going ahead, creating some content, and then basically this now here is just going to continue to bring in an income every single day for me, and a passive income, because I went ahead, I did the work once, and I set this up. And like I say, this is going to continuously bring in a passive income, and I'm going to walk you through all of this in this video. So let's jump into this and I'll walk you through how to get started and the entire process. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online, come over to my blog and check out my free members area. All of the things that you see on the screen right now, they're all absolutely free and waiting for you. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School, and welcome to this video. So, how to start affiliate marketing for beginners. We can break this down into 4 simple steps. So let's go over here and we'll break it down into the steps. So this is the 4 steps. It really is this simple. You pick a niche. Once you've decided on your niche, you're going to go ahead and find products. Once you've got your products, you're then going to look at getting traffic. And then step number 4 is simply the follow-up. So let's start at the beginning of this. So the first step is picking your niche. Now, many people spend too much time on this and they ponder it and they debate it for far too long. A really simple and easy way to go ahead and pick a niche is go over here, go over to Amazon, do this. This is a really simple method. Go over to Amazon. Come onto the homepage here and simply come down to shop by department. Now on here you see all these are all niches, and if you click on any of these you can go in and look at sub niches. So you can come on here. So what I would say when you're picking out a niche, pick something that you're interested in. So in terms of this, you can go into the health and personal care, you can go into diet and nutrition, you've got men's grooming, all of these and niches and categories that you can go in and start earning money with this. You've also got things like, really popular stuff like gadgets, electronics. If I come down here, you've got camping and hiking. This is a very popular niche, cycling, fitness, etc, etc. So really simple method. Come over to Amazon, go through all of these, and basically what you can do is if you click on, like say, camping and hiking, you can go in that. So you could go into the camping and hiking niche, but then you could even niche further down on that. So in camping, you could specifically create content around tents or whatever campers use, I don't know. But you can break it down a lot further. Another way you can do this is go over to this website here. This is called ClickBank, and again, both of these different programs I'm going to share with you, they're both absolutely free to get started with. So you can come in here and you can scroll down here on the left. Sorry, this is the marketplace. So if you've never seen ClickBank before, you go over to ClickBank, create an account, click on marketplace, and you come here and you scroll through, and these categories here, these are all niches. And if you wanted to break it down again, so like cooking, food and wine, click on here. Here's more niches for you. You could go into the recipe niche, you could go into this special diet niche. There's many ways of doing this. So once you've decided on your niche, the next part of this whole process is selecting a product. Now in terms of products, you've got two options. You've got a physical product and you've also got a digital product. Now I recommend digital products, but you can make money with physical products. But in terms of a digital product, you can earn more money because it's just that it's I say you can earn more money. In terms of the physical products, you can go ahead and recommend people over onto Amazon products and they'll go ahead and purchase them. Now you can earn, as an affiliate, you can earn up to 10%. Now most of the items that you would recommend to people, you're earning something ridiculous like 2% or 5%. Whereas with digital products, your commissions normally start around 50%. Over on Warrior Plus, which I showed you at the beginning, the commissions on that platform, they're actually 90% of the time, you earn 100% commission. So you've got the digital products and you've also got the physical products. So come back over here. So in terms of physical products, you can, let me scroll this up to the top here for you. Over on Amazon, you can go ahead and direct people over to this. So for argument's sake, if you went into the diet and nutrition, basically you can go onto Amazon and find any products on Amazon in the diet and nutrition category, and then you get an affiliate link via the Amazon associates, and then basically you create content, you put a link in whatever the content is, whether that's a blog, a website, whether that's YouTube videos, Pinterest, etc., etc., and then you send people over to Amazon. Amazon will pay you an affiliate commission. Now, the route that I prefer is the digital products because you can, like I say, you can earn so much more money with this. And what I like about the digital products is it gets delivered instantly because people are always in a rush. They don't want to wait for the product. So with digital products, they go ahead, they pay the money, they get a download link. Now, sometimes it can be a link to a course, or it can be, a PDF or an audio, etc., etc. But digital products, you can earn a lot more money with this, and you earn it a lot quicker. So I highly recommend digital products. Now here over on ClickBank, this is a great platform to go ahead and find products. You can see on here I've just gone into the cooking, food and wine recipes. So on here you'd scroll through and find any of these different products that you wanted to go ahead and promote. Now you see here where it says, let me go ahead and show you, see here where it says gravity? This basically shows you how many of this product above has sold in the last 24 hours. So this product here has sold 29 copies in the last 24 hours. So if you wanted to go ahead and have a look at any of these, you simply click on here and it will open up in a new tab for you. So this is this one here, this cookbook. See, this is the product. Scroll down here. This here is basically the sales page of where you would send people over to. So you get, this is the sales page. You scroll through and have a look at it. See if you're happy with this and you want to start promoting this. This looks like a pretty decent product, to be honest with you. So scroll back up to the top. Go back up to the top. We'll come back to this in a bit because I'll show you a really cool method of how you can earn some really simple money using this method here. But if you wanted to go ahead and promote this product, you simply click on promote. So once you get your link from here, the next part of this 4-step process is the traffic. Now I personally love free traffic, and I'll show you a couple of different platforms that you can use to go ahead and basically start sharing your affiliate link and earning a commission. So you see this one here that we're looking at, this cookbook, you earn on average let me get rid of this, you earn on average $23.91 for every person who goes ahead and purchases this product here. So let's go ahead and have a look at a platform. Now, a great platform to use for this sort of niche here, these cookbooks and weight loss and all the rest of it, is Pinterest. Now, you can drive ridiculous amounts of traffic over from Pinterest. Now, on Pinterest here, I've simply typed in keto recipes. Now, you can see all of these different recipes on here. See this here? This is basically known as a pin. You click on here, it will send you over to this website here. Go here, it's going over to another website, this one here, website. So this is the process with this one here is you would go through over onto Warrior and over onto ClickBank. You would find a product that you want to promote, then really simply go over here to the sales page, scroll down, and look at some different pins that you could go ahead and upload onto Pinterest. So you could upload this here onto Pinterest with a link to this product, and then you'll earn a commission every time somebody goes ahead and purchases this. Scroll down the page a bit further, again you could use it. I won't use that. Come down here. Here's another pin. You could upload this onto Pinterest. You could upload this onto Pinterest. Scroll down again. Look at this one. You got another one here. Another one here. Scroll down. See if there's any more on there. There's not. Here's another one. You could go ahead and you could get this one here as well and put this on Pinterest. So that is a really simple way of how you could go ahead and promote this product here over on Pinterest. So you go onto Pinterest, again, you can get an account for free. You simply upload these here, which are known as pins, but basically you're just downloading the image and then uploading it onto Pinterest on here. You put a link back in here over to the product you're promoting, and then you'll earn a commission every time somebody goes ahead and purchases. Now, over on Pinterest, the reason why I love Pinterest is because it's evergreen traffic. So you can put pins on here and they will stay on the platform and generate you traffic for a number of years. I've had my account here over on Pinterest for about 18 months and I still get lots of traffic from Pinterest over to my blog, over to my websites, over to different affiliate products. They just generate traffic for a long time on here. So I highly recommend Pinterest. It's a great platform to use, especially if you're going into this sort of weight loss, yoga, food and recipes. Blogging is another good one that people like over on here. So you simply upload your image, link out to the website, and you'll earn a commission. Now the other platform which I'll share with, well, you'll know this one, it is YouTube. Now YouTube is a great platform for going ahead and earning affiliate commissions. Now you don't need to be on camera with this. So you can see here I've just typed in Amazon gadgets under 20. Now on here, look at this. 5 amazing gadgets hidden in Amazon for $20 or less. Look at the number of views. It's had 98,000 views in 3 months. Now what they're doing with these videos here is, let me show you this. All they're doing here is they're going over to Amazon, they're finding gadgets under $20, and then they're taking the videos from the Amazon page and putting them all together into a compilation video and then uploading them onto YouTube. So you do not even need to be on camera for this or even talking on this. You can simply go over to Amazon, find the different products that you want to promote on Amazon, get your link, create some videos on here, and then simply upload them. And all you do on here is you put a link to the products that you're recommending over on Amazon in the description on here. Now you can do this on YouTube here where you simply go ahead and take product videos. You can even do like simple Google slides where you go ahead and you create 4 or 5 slides, you talk about products that you found on Amazon, and then you drop links down below. But this here, this Amazon gadgets, this is a great one that you can go ahead and do on YouTube. You can see the number of views that these videos get. It's just insane. I mean, look at this one here. This person here has only got 262 subscribers. And yet this was exactly a month ago. It's received over 16,000 views. So you don't even need to go ahead and have a lot of subscribers with this method. So that is just 2 different platforms that you can use. You can use YouTube to get free traffic, and you can also use Pinterest. And both of these free platforms are great for generating free traffic. Now the final step in this whole process is step 4, which is the follow-up. So what this basically means is, if you're sending people over to affiliate products that you're recommending, well, what you can do is you can go ahead and capture their email. And the reason why you want to capture their email is because you know that they're interested in a certain product in a certain niche or topic. You can go ahead, capture their email, and then you can follow up with us and recommend products similar to the original one which they were looking at in the beginning. So a free one that you can go ahead and use is this site over here, and it's called MailChimp. Now we can get started on here. As you can see here, I've got a free account over on MailChimp. I had this when I first started doing this method about 18 months ago, 2 years ago now. So you can go ahead and get a free account on MailChimp. It's not the best, being absolutely honest with you, but if you want to start this whole method for free, you can go ahead and get a MailChimp account. It's not the preferred route, but if you're just starting out, then absolutely it is a great resource for you. Okay, so I said at the beginning of this video, if you stayed till the end, I'll show you how you can go ahead and fast track your results with this method. So if you're interested, go ahead and check out the link down below in the description. It will bring you over here to my new course. It's called the Not Taught at School Affiliate Academy, and this will walk you through the process of how you can start making money online and how you can scale it very quickly to start earning $100 a day using this method part-time, because this is not what I focus all of my efforts on. Affiliate marketing is something I do part-time, and I earn money over on Warrior Plus, I earn money on Udemy, ClickBank, lots of different platforms. This course here will walk you through the whole process. There's over 20 videos included in this, there's PDFs, there's spreadsheets, it comes with a Facebook group as well, and I'll show you how to do absolutely everything without any experience, without an email list, without being on camera, without spending money, money on paid advertising or anything like that. It basically will walk you through and show you exactly how to get this all set up step by step. And because I've just launched this, you can go ahead and get this right now today for less than $10. It's currently $9.99, and this is for the first 50 people. There's a countdown or a timer on the page. Once we hit those 50 people, it'll be going back up to the normal price of $90. But for the first 50 of you, you can go ahead and pick this up today for less than $10. So the link's down below. Feel free to go ahead and check this out. So that is today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you have any questions, let me know. But thank you for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow.